Hey everyone, it's week 9 of the Pahl's Market CSA program, and this is Allison with Checkerboard here again, coming to you with our weekly unboxing. So this was a mushroom week. We don't get mushrooms here, but for those of you who are mushroom fans, if you sign up for the CSA, you have the option of adding mushrooms. You get them twice a month, and it's pretty good. It's pretty awesome stuff there, but we did not opt into that this year, but let's look at the box this week. Got some new stuff this week we haven't had before. Oh, look at all that. It smells really good. Like, I wish you could smell it. So we've got some purple kale here. Look how pretty that is. All right, let's see. We have a lot of green peppers. Holy moly. I hope someone has a good recipe for green peppers. Make some salsa. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 peppers. It'll take me forever just to get them out of here. All right, we got some tomatoes. Nice. All right, looking real nice. Yeah, you could make a salsa out of this box here. All right. Look at all the color over here. Look how awesome that looks. Okay, then we have some, oh gosh, is this squash or zucchini? Yellow zucchini, I think. I don't know. You can laugh at me for not knowing because I don't eat it. So I'm sure someone here will be enjoying those. Then we have I don't think we've gotten radishes yet. So maybe we have just a smaller bunch. These are gorgeous. Like, I just kind of want to wash them off and eat them. Maybe I'll steal these so I can give my rabbits the tops of them too. Looking real good. All right. Oh, we got some onions as well. So we're looking real nice. Some nice scallions, green onions, bunch of carrots. Looking pretty good. This is a really colorful box this week, you guys. And then, of course, sweet corn. Could you get sick of sweet corn? No, I don't think it's possible. All right, so that is this week's box, you guys. We are in peak prime season here. Lots of really cool stuff. And we will see you next week.